I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into the Google account that will host Gmail. This ties the mail service to your identity. Once done, choose whether to use an existing Google account or create a new one. Do that immediately if you don't have credentials. Make sure you're on a private network and a device you control, then open Gmail or Mail. Google.com and select Sign In. This initiates the authentication flow that links Gmail to your Google account profile and settings. After initial sign-in, you'll verify ownership. Enter any verification codes sent to your recovery email or phone. Once verified, you'll be asked to accept Google's terms, read key points, and proceed. Then set recovery options and privacy preferences so you can regain access if needed. After that, open Gmail settings to configure sync frequency, inbox type, signature, and notifications. These choices determine how mail appears across devices and how secure and recoverable your account will be, so adjust them now. You're nearly done. Send a test email to confirm sending and receiving, and check that messages sync on your phone and browser. If something fails, sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. Make sure a map or POP is enabled if you use another client. Also verify connected apps under Google Account Security and revoke anything unfamiliar. One key troubleshooting tip: if mail delivery or sync fails, confirm your password and recovery details. Then reset app passwords or reconfigure client settings to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.